Hi, today I'm for the Redmi Note 12 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Just to change notifications, ringtone or alarms, you should tap on the section and select one from the available sounds. To change volume of the media's ringtone and alarms, we should just slide to the left or to the right side as panels. In Sound Assistant, you could just adjust media sound in multiple apps to change the media, multiple audio sources, and to allow the speaker sound. Here we activate and turn off the silent mode to silence media in silent mode, to turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. In additional settings, we got here dial buttons, tap sounds, lock and lock sounds, screenshot and install and delete an item sounds, charger sounds, and startup sounds. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options, we should click on the switchers. So just go back, tap to vibration for calls, a switcher, and a vibration in silent mode switcher to allow it, and you can switch also vibration on top from medium to light, strong, or to turn it off. And in sound effects, we could switch the control volume level and to just change the sound effects from smart to music, video, or voice. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Redmi device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.